Don't mess with this again.
Oh, stop.
You don't need to mess
Stop.
with my
I need-
computer.
So,
I have to have
so
it
how are we
here.
gonna do this video? Do you want me to come on this side? So
No, because I have a
face-
bald spot.
But
I
he's
don't
too
wanna be on
big
that
to
side.
fit on that side.
Well, yeah. What are you trying to say? Are you trying to say, listen, you know what? Summer's coming.
Stop,
out.
this makes no sense.
So,
She's not even recording yet.
so what we need to
It's
try.
part of
figure
my
out-
shtick.
Are we trying to do? Okay, you're done. You're like acting like
Just
a
don't
child.
let him touch.
Are we going to do something where? Hold on.
Are you recording now?
So we need a summer greeting, right?
Okay, all I know is these are puffy stickers.
They are puffy stickers. We need
We're
to figure
talking about our
out.
summer greeting.
We need to figure out. So obviously we want to figure out. Greeting is kind of a stupid word too. I feel like I should be an usher in a church.
Our summer hoorah.
No, we need to figure out how are people going to, if they come to summer camp this summer, we can't just be like a handshake. Okay, I think Lori's having fun
Lori's
with
the
the camera.
worst.
I
kid.
really want to put my hand in your pocket.
Why?
Alright, continue.
And so what are we gonna do? What are we gonna do? Now this is just going.
This.
Oh, we're gonna
We're
do
gonna
this,
do this.
right?
Okay, so when you come up, so it's like the bigger the group, the better. So
Yeah.
then they
Power
push
man.
off, and then you just call it a power man.
Yeah.
That's our greeting at summer camp.
Is it
This
called
summer.
powder puff?
Powder puff, that's girls.
I'm not
And
sure.
in the
Well,
pocket.
you're a girl sometimes, John.
Okay,
And so.
no I'm not.
So
Put
my
your hand
question
on my
is, they got it. So the larger the group, probably the cooler it would be.
Right, explode.
Or is that just gonna be something that looks stupid?
It won't look stupid unless
So
they
the
make it
question
look
is,
stupid.
unless they want to like.
Why are
what
you
they
covering
could
your
do-
bald spot?
Because I have baldness.
What they could do is if they like it, they should tell us. But if they don't, they need to come up with something better. And maybe what
Tell
you could
them,
do,
they're listening.
What you could do is tell us what you think would be the coolest way to greet somebody at camp this summer, and put it up on our Facebook page at NCNStudentMinistries.com. And Sean has serious problems.
Serious issues.
problems. So and he's bald on the top of his head. All right, so tell us what you guys think would be a great greeting for summer camp. Make John happy. Say bye, John.
Bye.
And put your hands in his pockets.